Hello guys, welcome to a new reaction video on my channel Kazincredible, and today you are watching with me the Indonesian girl group. They are back with a new song, and the song is called HONK. And yeah, I'm talking about the really hyped Indonesian girl group Nona, and I'm so glad that they are really hyped and well known. And a few days ago I have reacted to their performance on the first take, and it was so nice. Their live voices are so good. You would think they ate the CD and like you listen to Spotify, and it's so crazy. They are so good, so talented, and these girls are from Bali, if I'm not wrong. And guess who is in Bali in this October? Yes, it's me. It's me. And yeah, so they have released a new music video today, and I am going to watch it with you together. And if you have more information about them or about the music, please let me know that in the comments. And if you have more suggestions, please let me know that as well. And yeah, I would say let's start. Sabang Merauke. Hey. Okay. Okay. The style is so cool. I love it. Cool car. They're so beautiful. Okay. Oh my god, this song is so different. Help. Nice choreography. Beep beep. Oh. Have you seen that? Damn. Woo! Hey. Damn. They have so good voices. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful they are. Beep beep. I think the music video is kinda crazy, but I like it. The music is different, but nice. And I love the choreography. I love it. Damn. Wow. Nice. Island girls from Indonesia. Very, very cool. I like that this song is different than the other songs, and I love it. The music video is so creative, so full of new ideas, and I love it as well. And nice. I'm so excited to see them performing this song. I mean, how would be the whole choreography, the whole performance? I'm so excited to see that. So guys, write your opinion about this song, about this music video in the comments. Let me know if you want to see more reaction videos. Write down your suggestions. And if you enjoyed my reaction video, please like, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more. And yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Terima kasih, and I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye.